This is the best umbrella holder I have ever had. It's sturdy and it holds your umbrella perfectly straight. It has two screw ends for the umbrella as an umbrella holder. It has two breaks that you can use with your foot. And to fill it, it's simple. You just take out the plug and fill it. My husband used a funnel with it. It's just simply great. The other thing about it is it's so sturdy. I have a 10-foot umbrella and we get a lot of wind here. And this just seems perfect. And when it gets too windy, I just simply roll it away. It's a great buy. And one other thing is that the water runs off the top of the stand, which really helps to preserve the pole because a lot of mine rusted out. So just letting you know what we think of it and hope that if you need a new umbrella stand, you'll consider this one.
This is the nicest umbrella stand I have ever purchased in my life, and I've been through a lot. It holds a lot of water, and I love the shape of it, and it has wheels on the bottom, and it also has these locking mechanisms on the back to keep the wheels in place. Mine's a little dirty from being outside for a few days, but this is literally the nicest one I have ever owned.